Hello guys, I made some new animation, new effects for our game. First thing I want to introduce is the particle trails for the blocks. I add some particle trail effects behind follows the blocks. Here it is. You can see there's particle trails follows each blocks when it goes. This is the first effects I add for the game, and second effects is when the blocks place over the pressure plate, it will show some nice particle effects that it add on the plates. The third animations add for the game is for the trapdoor puzzles. You can see it in here. I mean the particle. I mean here in the trapdoor puzzles. Here you can see there's some effects show that trapdoor is being closed. You can see it more clearly. It's some sign told you that the trapdoor, which trapdoor is open, which is closed. When the trapdoor being closed, the animation will disappear. See some particle, some trapdoor being closed. How I did this? First, for the trapdoor animations, I have particle effects, which is in prefabs. You see here. Here is the animation particle effects, and here is the another particle effects I made when things come in when you close the each. There's two parts of the animation. One's using different shaders, different textures to show that there's different layers of the particle animations. You can adjust the shape of each particle and the speed of each particle, how it appears in the when rendered, and I did some scripts to show the different. Here is the scripts to show the spec in the move spec script. When its trapdoor moves, there will add the initiate the prefab here in the certain position to show that show one particle effects, and another effects, the circle one effects, I have to use detect to initial in the spike behavior, because I have to know each trapdoor's position, and some value I have to use in this script to know if the door is being closed or open. Here I write the script to detect if the trapdoor is open or closed. Then I active the initial prefab. For the particle trails, here is the example object. I use the trail render to do this animation. I did different colors of the trail texture on different type of colors of blocks, and modify value of each trail render to show the nice particle trail effects. Here's some value I adjust. And for the pressure plates animation, I did in the pressure plates, which is I did the particle prefab here. Particle, which is called this one. Say there's particle effects. Here. When the blocks placed on the pressure plates, it will show that particle effects each time. And there's different layers of the particle effects. Here you can see there's 3 layers. They show different type of particle. And I write scripts to animate this in the pressure plate script. When each time blocks on the pressure plate, it will initial that particle effects. Yeah, that's all I done for. I did 3 effects for our game. Thanks.